Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to check your SoFi mobile deposit limit. So here are the steps. We have 5 steps. So first is to launch your application on your mobile and log into your account. So it looks like this. So you just have to log in first. And then just tap on the banking tab to access your checking or savings account. So here is the banking tab at the bottom next to the home and credit card. So you just have to tap on this one to be able to see this. Now select the deposit icon, which is here. So you just have to select this one. And then on the deposit your check screen, you just have to input the dollar amount of your check. So once you click on this, you will be able to see deposit your check screen in there. And then just tap on the learn about deposit limits. And then this will display your personal mobile check deposit limits, including per deposit, daily, and monthly limits. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!